breaking news coming in. RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat says if you want to understand the Sangh, making comparisons will lead to misunderstanding. He also says that if you consider the Sangh to be just another service organization, you'll be mistaken, and that many people have a tendency to understand the Sangh through the lens of the BJP, which is a mistake. Now, this is of course a big statement coming in. Let's quickly listen in to exactly what he said.
संघ के जैसा दूसरा संगठन नहीं, और इसलिए संघ को जानना है तो तुलना करते हैं तो गलतफहमी होती है। अब कोई भी कह सकता है कि संघ एक सर्विस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, तो गलती होगी। संघ के स्वयंसेवक आज विभिन्न संगठनों में काम कर रहे हैं, तो कुछ लोग पॉलिटिक्स में भी है और सत्ता में भी है, इसलिए बहुत लोगों की ये प्रवृत्ति रहती है कि संघ को बीजेपी के द्वारा समझना, तो बहुत बड़ी गलती होगी।
My colleague Manogia joins us with more details. Manogia, now a big statement coming in from Mohan Bhagwat where he says understanding the RSS through the lens of the BJP would be a mistake.
Well, absolutely correct, because a century-old organization has a political affiliation, has been a visible appearance, because that comes with the people in power, that comes with a lot of more importance that political personalities get when they have a certain affiliation with RSS. But RSS in its own has a century-old history. It has played its multiple roles in nation building and has its own multiple verticals that serve various purposes, be it the youth wing, be it be the women wing, or be it the medical or other assistance in times of crisis, not just in the country but also across the globe. The fact that it has a team of volunteers across the world who pitch in times of crisis in various activities and have been playing a very important and crucial role when it comes to magnifying the importance of the culture as well as the entire spirituality or the entire process that we have with RSS that it has. In fact, there has been a role of Kolkata also, because Dr. Hedgewar had started from here and then went to Nagpur, and after that the entire establishment of RSS took place. But just to give you an idea that there has always been a bigger narrative.
Right.